Hello, I'm Hartmut Kulessa, working as a marketing manager for Panasonic in Europe, and I would like to introduce you to our new IP IT-Centric platform for video signal distribution and switching. That is actually revolutionizing the way we do AV, because it's based on off-the-shelf IT components, and the server rack is connecting them to the control panel. Everything is executed and worked with a new software that we developed. And it's providing incredible processing power, and it's scalable. Everything can be configured to the inputs and outputs that you need: 12G, 3G, HDMI, NDI, ST2110. So it's really a product which is arriving in very, very short time, and that will make the convergence of IT and AV really happening. For more information, please visit our website, business.panasonic.co.uk.